Informatica EDC Online Training. Introduction to Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC. Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, is a robust metadata management tool designed to help organizations discover, understand, and manage their data assets. Here is an introduction to its key features and functionalities. Key features of Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog. Metadata scanning and discovery. EDC can scan a wide range of data sources, including databases, data warehouse, data lakes, ETL tools, and business intelligence tools. It automatically discovers metadata and provides a comprehensive view of data assets. Data lineage. EDC provides detailed data lineage information, allowing users to trace data flow from source to destination. It helps in understanding data transformations and dependencies across different systems. Data profiling. EDC includes data profiling capabilities to assess the quality and structure of data. It identifies patterns, anomalies, and data quality issues, providing insights for data improvement. Business glossary. EDC allows organizations to create and manage a business glossary. It standardizes business terms and definitions, ensuring consistent understanding across the organization. Data stewardship and governance. EDC supports data stewardship by providing tools for managing data ownership, stewardship tasks, and data governance workflows. It helps in enforcing data governance policies and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Collaboration and social curation. EDC facilitates collaboration among data stewards, data analysts, and business users through social curation features. Users can annotate, tag, and comment on data assets, sharing their knowledge and insights. Advanced search and recommendations. EDC offers advanced search capabilities to quickly locate relevant data assets. It provides recommendations based on user behavior and data usage patterns, helping users find relevant data more efficiently. Integration with other Informatica tools. EDC integrates seamlessly with other Informatica tools such as Axon Data Governance, Data Quality, and Informatica Cloud. This integration ensures a unified approach to data management and governance. Overview of EDC features and capabilities. Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, by Informatica is a comprehensive metadata management tool designed to help organizations understand and manage their data assets. Here's an overview of its key features and capabilities. Key features and capabilities. Metadata scanning and cataloging. Automated metadata scanning. EDC can scan and catalog metadata from various data sources, including databases, data warehouse, data lakes, ETL tools, by tools, and cloud environments. Broad connectivity supports a wide range of data sources, including relational databases, example Oracle, SQL Server, big data platforms, example Hadoop, Spark, cloud data sources, example AWS, Azure, and more. Data discovery and search. Search and discovery provides powerful search capabilities to help users quickly find and understand data assets across the enterprise. Smart recommendations. uses machine learning to recommend relevant data assets based on user behavior and context. Data lineage and impact analysis. End-to-end data lineage tracks the flow of data from source to destination, providing a clear view of data transformations and movements. Impact analysis helps understand the potential impact of changes to data assets, enabling better decision-making and risk management. Data profiling and quality. Data profiling provides insights into data quality by profiling data assets and highlighting anomalies, patterns, and trends. Data quality metrics integrates with Informatica data quality tools to provide detailed quality metrics and reports. Collaboration and data stewardship. Collaboration tools facilitates collaboration among data stewards, analysts, and other stakeholders through annotations, discussions, and shared insights. Business Glossary supports the creation and management of a business glossary to standardize terminology and ensure a common understanding of data terms and definitions. Governance and compliance. Policy management helps enforce data governance policies and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, example GDPR, CCPA. Role-based access control provides granular access controls to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data. Integration and extensibility. APIs and SDKs offers APIs and SDKs for custom integrations and extensions, enabling organizations to tailor EDC to their specific needs. Integration with Informatica ecosystem seamlessly integrates with other Informatica products, such as Informatica Axon for data governance and Informatica MDM for master data management. Enhancing data governance with EDC. Enhancing data governance with Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, involves several key steps and best practices to ensure data is accurately catalogued, easily accessible, and compliant with governance policies. Here are some strategies to enhance data governance using EDC. 1. Comprehensive data discovery and profiling. Automated scanning. Use EDC's automated scanning capabilities to discover and catalog all data assets across the organization. This includes databases, data warehouse, cloud storage, and other data repositories. Data profiling. Perform detailed data profiling to understand the quality and structure of your data. EDC provides insights into data types, formats, patterns, and anomalies, helping you assess data quality and completeness. 2. Metadata management. Metadata enrichment. Enrich your metadata with business context by adding descriptions, tags, and annotations. This makes it easier for users to understand and use the data. Lineage tracking. Use EDC's lineage tracking features to map the flow of data across systems and processes. This helps in understanding data dependencies, transformations, and usage patterns. 3. Data stewardship and collaboration. Role-based access control. Implement role-based access controls to ensure that only authorized users can access and modify sensitive data. EDC supports detailed permissions and access controls to protect data. Collaboration tools leverage EDC's collaboration features, such as data annotations, comments, and task assignments, to facilitate communication between data stewards, analysts, and other stakeholders. 4. Data governance policies. Policy definition. Define and enforce data governance policies within EDC. This includes data retention, data privacy, data quality, and data usage policies. Compliance monitoring. Use EDC to monitor compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and others. EDC can help track data handling practices and ensure adherence to compliance standards. 5. Integration with data quality tools. Data quality rules. Integrate EDC with data quality tools to apply data quality rules and monitor data quality continuously. This ensures that data remains accurate, complete, and reliable. Issue management. Set up workflows for identifying, reporting, and resolving data quality issues. EDC can track the status of data quality issues and ensure they are addressed promptly. Integration of EDC with other Informatica products. Integrating Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, with other Informatica products enhances data management, governance, and analytics capabilities. Here's an overview of how EDC integrates with some key Informatica products. Informatica Power Center. Metadata harvesting. EDC can harvest metadata from Power Center, allowing users to catalog data integration workflows, mappings, and data lineage. Lineage and impact analysis. By integrating EDC with Power Center, you can perform detailed lineage and impact analysis, helping in understanding data flow and dependencies across the enterprise. Informatica Data Quality, IDQ. Rule harvesting. EDC can harvest data quality rules from IDQ, providing visibility into data quality processes and metrics. Data profiling. Integrated data profiling capabilities allow users to assess data quality directly from EDC, leveraging IDQ's profiling features. Informatica Axon Data Governance. Business Glossary Integration. EDC and Axon can share a common business glossary, ensuring consistent terminology and definitions across technical and business contexts. Policy enforcement. EDC can leverage Axon's governance policies to enforce data governance rules and monitor compliance. Informatica Cloud Data Integration. Cloud metadata harvesting. EDC can harvest metadata from cloud data integration tasks, providing visibility into cloud-based data flows and transformations. Unified Data Lineage. Integration with cloud data integration tools allows for end-to-end data lineage across on-premises and cloud environments. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM. Big Data Metadata Harvesting. EDC can harvest metadata from BDM, including data transformation and processing logic applied to big data environments. Enhanced data lineage. With BDM integration, EDC provides comprehensive data lineage for big data processing pipelines, supporting governance and compliance needs. Informatica MDM, Master Data Management. Master Data Metadata. EDC can catalog master data models and metadata from MDM, facilitating a unified view of master data assets. Data stewardship. Integration with MDM allows data stewards to leverage EDC for improved data discovery and stewardship activities. Data lineage and impact analysis in EDC. Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, provides robust capabilities for data lineage and impact analysis, which are crucial for understanding data flows, ensuring data governance, and assessing the implications of changes in data systems. Here is an overview of these capabilities. Data lineage in EDC. Data lineage refers to the tracing of data from its origin through its journey across various data systems until its final form. EDC provides comprehensive data lineage features. End-to-end lineage visualization. EDC visualizes the flow of data from source to destination, including intermediate transformations. This helps in understanding how data is transformed and moved across the data landscape. Automatic lineage extraction. EDC automatically extracts lineage information from various data sources, including databases, ETL tools, BI-tools, and big data platforms. This automated extraction ensures accuracy and saves time. Detailed lineage information. Users can view detailed lineage information, including source objects, target objects, and the transformations applied. This detail is essential for understanding the data flow and identifying any issues. Cross-system lineage. EDC can trace data lineage across multiple systems, providing a holistic view of data movement and transformation in a heterogeneous environment. Custom lineage. Users can define custom lineage if automated lineage extraction does not cover specific scenarios. This feature allows for flexibility and completeness in lineage documentation. Impact analysis in EDC. Impact analysis assesses the potential effects of changes in data assets on dependent systems and processes. EDC supports impact analysis through several features. Change propagation. EDC shows how changes to a data asset, example schema change, data type modification, will affect downstream systems and processes. This helps in planning and mitigating risks associated with changes. Dependency analysis. By identifying dependencies between data assets, EDC helps in understanding the ripple effects of changes. For example, if a table is modified, EDC can show which reports, dashboards, or ETL jobs will be affected. Visualization of impact. EDC provides visual tools to illustrate the impact of changes, making it easier for users to comprehend and communicate the potential effects to stakeholders. Proactive impact assessment. Before implementing changes, users can perform impact analysis to foresee issues and plan accordingly. This proactive approach helps in minimizing disruptions and ensuring smooth transitions. Ensuring data privacy and compliance with EDC. Ensuring data privacy and compliance is critical in today's regulatory environment. Here's how you can leverage Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, to achieve these goals. 1. Data discovery and classification. Automated discovery. EDC automatically scans and discovers data across the enterprise. It identifies data sources, data types, and data relationships. Data classification. EDC classifies data based on predefined or custom classifications such as personally identifiable information, PII, financial data, or health data. 2. Metadata management. Comprehensive metadata repository. EDC maintains a comprehensive metadata repository that includes technical, business, operational, and governance metadata. Data lineage. EDC provides end-to-end data lineage, helping you track the flow of data from source to destination. This is crucial for compliance audits and impact analysis. 3. Data governance. Policies and rules. EDC allows you to define and enforce data governance policies and rules. You can set up data privacy policies to control access to sensitive data. Role-based access control. RBAC implement RBAC to ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. 4. Data masking and encryption. Data masking. EDC supports data masking techniques to protect sensitive information in non-production environments. Encryption. Ensure data is encrypted both at rest and in transit. EDC can integrate with encryption tools to enforce this. 5. Compliance reporting. Audit trails. EDC provides detailed audit trails of data access and modifications, essential for demonstrating compliance with regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. Compliance dashboards. Use EDC's dashboards and reports to monitor compliance status and generate reports for regulatory requirements. 6. Data quality and monitoring. Data profiling and cleansing. EDC integrates with Informatica Data Quality (IDQ) to profile and cleanse data, ensuring that data is accurate and reliable. Continuous monitoring. Set up continuous monitoring of data quality and compliance metrics to proactively identify and address issues. Metadata management in EDC. Metadata management in Enterprise Data Catalog (EDC) is a crucial aspect of data governance and data management. EDC is a tool provided by Informatica that helps organizations discover, understand, manage, and govern their data assets. Here's an overview of how metadata management is handled in EDC. Key features of metadata management in EDC. Automated discovery. EDC can automatically discover metadata from various data sources, including databases, data warehouse, big data platforms, cloud sources, and business applications. This helps in maintaining an up-to-date inventory of data assets. Metadata harvesting. EDC supports metadata harvesting, which involves extracting metadata from different systems. This includes technical metadata, example schema, tables, columns, and business metadata, example data definitions, business rules. Cataloging. Once the metadata is harvested, EDC catalogs it in a centralized repository. This catalog provides a comprehensive view of the data landscape, enabling users to easily search, browse, and understand the available data assets. Data lineage. EDC provides detailed data lineage information, showing how data flows through various systems and transformations. This helps in understanding the origin, movement, and transformation of data across the organization. Impact analysis. With metadata management, EDC can perform impact analysis to understand how changes in data sources or transformations affect downstream systems and processes. This is critical for assessing the potential impact of changes before they are implemented. Collaboration and stewardship. EDC allows data stewards and other stakeholders to collaborate on managing metadata. Users can add annotations, tags, and ratings to data assets, enhancing the metadata with business context and knowledge. Data governance. Metadata management in EDC supports data governance initiatives by providing a framework for defining and enforcing data policies, standards, and rules. It helps ensure data quality, compliance, and security. Metadata enrichment. EDC supports metadata enrichment by integrating with other tools and sources, such as data quality tools, business glossaries, and third-party metadata providers. This adds more context and value to the metadata. Search and discovery. EDC offers powerful search and discovery capabilities, allowing users to find relevant data assets quickly. Advanced search features include facet search, keyword search, and natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. Best practices for EDC maintenance. Maintaining an enterprise data catalog (EDC) is essential to ensure that the data remains accurate, relevant, and useful for decision-making. Here are some best practices for EDC maintenance. 1. Regular data audits. Schedule regular audits. Periodically review the data catalog to ensure that all entries are up to date and accurate. Identify and address gaps. Look for missing metadata, outdated information, or data quality issues and take corrective action. 2. Data governance. Establish governance policies. Implement and enforce data governance policies to maintain data integrity, security, and compliance. Data stewardship. Assign data stewards to oversee data quality, lineage, and metadata accuracy. 3. Automated metadata harvesting. Use automation tools. Employ tools that automatically harvest metadata from various data sources to ensure that the catalog remains current. Regular updates. Schedule automatic updates to capture changes in the data landscape. 4. User training and engagement. Train users. Provide training to users on how to use the EDC effectively, including searching for and contributing metadata. Encourage contributions. Promote a culture of data sharing and collaboration, encouraging users to contribute to the catalog. 5. Data quality management. Implement data quality tools. Use tools to continuously monitor and improve data quality within the catalog. Data profiling. Regularly profile data to identify and rectify inconsistencies, duplications, and inaccuracies. 6. Metadata enrichment. Enrich metadata. Enhance metadata with business context, tags, descriptions, and data lineage information to make it more meaningful and useful. Crowdsourcing metadata. Allow users to add context and annotations to metadata entries. 7. Security and access control. Define access policies. Implement role-based access controls to ensure that sensitive data is protected and only accessible to authorized users. Monitor access. Regularly review and audit access logs to detect and prevent unauthorized access. 8. Performance monitoring. Monitor performance. Continuously monitor the performance of the EDC to ensure it is responsive and capable of handling user queries efficiently. Scalability planning. Plan for scalability to accommodate growing data volumes and user demands. 9. Documentation and communication. Document processes. Maintain comprehensive documentation of EDC processes, policies, and guidelines. Regular communication. Keep stakeholders informed about updates, changes, and best practices related to the EDC. How does EDC facilitate data discovery and cataloging? Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog (EDC) facilitates data discovery and cataloging through a comprehensive suite of features designed to help organizations manage, discover, and understand their data assets. Here's how EDC achieves this. Automated metadata scanning and harvesting. Metadata connectors. EDC provides out-of-the-box connectors to various data sources, including databases, data warehouse, big data platforms, cloud environments, and applications. These connectors help in automatically scanning and harvesting metadata from different data repositories. Automated scanning. EDC scans data sources on a scheduled basis or on demand to keep the metadata repository up to date. This scanning captures detailed metadata, including technical, operational, and business metadata. Data cataloging and organization. Centralized metadata repository. EDC stores the harvested metadata in a centralized repository, providing a single source of truth for all metadata across the organization. Classification and tagging. EDC uses machine learning algorithms to classify and tag data assets, making it easier to organize and categorize data. Users can also manually add tags and classifications. Data lineage and impact analysis. End-to-end data lineage. EDC provides detailed data lineage, showing the flow of data from source to destination, including transformations and data movements. This helps users understand the origin, usage, and transformations of data assets. Impact analysis. EDC enables impact analysis to understand the potential effects of changes in data assets, helping in proactive decision-making and risk management. Search and discovery. Intelligent search. EDC offers a powerful search engine that allows users to find data assets using various search criteria, such as keywords, tags, classifications, and relationships. The search results are ranked based on relevance and popularity. Data recommendations. EDC provides data asset recommendations based on user behavior and patterns, facilitating the discovery of related and relevant data assets. Data profiling and quality insights. Data profiling. EDC includes data profiling capabilities to analyze the content, structure, and quality of data assets. This helps users understand the characteristics and quality of data. Data quality insights. EDC integrates with Informatica Data Quality to provide data quality scores and metrics, helping users assess the reliability and trustworthiness of data assets. How does EDC integrate with other Informatica products? Enterprise Data Catalog (EDC) integrates with other Informatica products in several ways to enhance data management and governance capabilities across the enterprise. Here are some key integration points. Informatica Data Integration Products. EDC integrates closely with Informatica's data integration products such as Informatica Power Center, Informatica Data Quality, and Informatica Big Data Management. This integration allows EDC to catalog metadata from these products, providing a unified view of metadata across the data integration lifecycle. Informatica Data Quality. EDC leverages data quality rules and metadata from Informatica Data Quality (IDQ) to enhance data profiling and governance capabilities. It allows users to understand the quality of data assets cataloged in EDC and to apply data quality rules consistently. Informatica Axon. Informatica Axon provides data governance capabilities, and EDC integrates with Axon to synchronize business glossaries, data domains, and data governance policies. This integration ensures that data governance initiatives are supported by accurate and comprehensive metadata management. Informatica Analyst Tool. EDC can integrate with the Informatica Analyst tool, providing data analysts and data stewards with a user-friendly interface to explore and manage metadata, ensuring data lineage, impact analysis, and compliance. Informatica Data Privacy Management. EDC integrates with Informatica's Data Privacy Management (DPM) solution to catalog sensitive data and enforce privacy policies consistently across the enterprise. This integration helps in identifying and managing sensitive data assets effectively. Informatica Master Data Management. For organizations using Informatica's Master Data Management (MDM) solutions, EDC integrates to provide metadata visibility and governance over master data entities, ensuring consistency and accuracy across applications. Informatica Cloud Data Integration. EDC supports integration with Informatica Cloud Data Integration (CDI), enabling metadata cataloging and management for cloud-based data integration workflows and assets. How does EDC support data lineage and impact analysis? Enterprise Data Catalog (EDC) supports data lineage and impact analysis through its capabilities in metadata management and data governance. Here's how EDC facilitates these processes. Metadata management. EDC collects and manages metadata from various data sources across the organization. This metadata includes information about data schemas, data types, relationships between data elements, and data transformation processes. Data lineage. EDC establishes data lineage by tracing the flow of data across different systems, applications, and processes. It maps out how data moves from its origin, source systems, through various transformations and integrations to its destination, target systems. This lineage helps organizations understand data movement paths and transformations, ensuring transparency and visibility into data processes. Impact analysis. EDC enables impact analysis by allowing users to trace the potential downstream effects of changes to data assets. For example, if a data element or schema changes, EDC can identify which downstream reports, applications, or processes might be affected. This capability is crucial for assessing risks, planning changes, and maintaining data integrity and consistency across the organization. Data governance. EDC supports data governance practices by providing a centralized repository for metadata and lineage information. This helps in enforcing data governance policies, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, and maintaining data quality standards. Visualization and reporting. EDC typically offers visualization tools and reports that allow users to explore data lineage graphically. This makes it easier to understand complex data flows and relationships, facilitating both technical and business users in making informed decisions. How can EDC enhance data privacy and compliance efforts? Enterprise Data Catalog (EDC) can enhance data privacy and compliance efforts in several ways. Data discovery and classification EDC can automatically discover and classify sensitive data across the organization. It identifies where sensitive data resides, including personally identifiable information, PII, financial data, health information, etc. Metadata management EDC maintains comprehensive metadata about the data assets, including their lineage, usage, and sensitivity levels. This metadata helps in understanding data context and ensuring compliance with regulations. Data lineage and impact analysis EDC provides visibility into data lineage, showing how data flows through systems and processes. It helps in tracing the origin of data and assessing its impact on downstream processes, aiding compliance with data handling regulations. Policy enforcement EDC can enforce data governance policies and access controls based on the sensitivity and classification of data. It ensures that only authorized users have access to sensitive data and that data usage complies with organizational policies and regulatory requirements. Audit and monitoring EDC logs data access and usage activities, providing audit trails that support compliance audits. It monitors data usage patterns and alerts administrators to any potential breaches or unauthorized access attempts. Data masking and anonymization EDC can facilitate data masking and anonymization techniques to protect sensitive data while maintaining its utility for analytics and other purposes. This helps in reducing the risk of data exposure. Collaboration and governance EDC serves as a centralized platform for collaboration between data stewards, compliance officers, and data users. It facilitates governance processes by providing a unified view of data assets and their compliance status. What are the best practices for maintaining an EDC environment? Maintaining an enterprise data catalog (EDC) environment effectively involves several best practices to ensure data quality, availability, and security. Here are some key practices. Regular data profiling and quality checks. Perform regular data profiling to understand the quality and structure of your data. Implement data quality checks to ensure consistency and accuracy. Metadata management. Establish robust metadata management practices to catalog and maintain metadata consistently. Ensure metadata is updated regularly to reflect changes in data sources and structures. Data lineage and impact analysis. Maintain data lineage to track the origin, transformations, and movements of data. Conduct impact analysis to understand the effects of changes or issues on downstream systems and processes. Access control and security. Implement strict access control mechanisms to ensure only authorized personnel can access sensitive data and metadata. Regularly audit access logs and permissions to detect and mitigate security risks. Performance monitoring and tuning. Monitor the performance of EDC tools to ensure efficient data cataloging and search capabilities. Tune performance based on usage patterns and workload demands. Version control and change management. Implement version control for metadata changes to track modifications over time. Establish change management processes to govern updates to metadata and configurations. Integration with data governance framework. Integrate EDC with your organization's data governance framework to enforce policies, standards, and compliance requirements. Ensure alignment with regulatory guidelines and industry best practices. Training and user support. Provide comprehensive training for users to maximize utilization of EDC capabilities. Offer ongoing support to address user queries, issues, and feedback. Why choose ProExcellency for Informatica EDC online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Informatica EDC, Enterprise Data Catalog, online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experienced professionals with deep knowledge of Informatica EDC. This ensures you receive quality instruction and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are usually structured to cover all aspects of Informatica EDC, from basic concepts to advanced topics like data governance, metadata management, and data lineage. Hands-on experience. They often provide hands-on labs and real-world scenarios, allowing you to apply what you learn in a practical setting, which is crucial for understanding complex tools like Informatica EDC. Flexibility. Online training means you can learn at your own pace and schedule, making it convenient for working professionals or those with busy schedules. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically offers support throughout the training period and access to resources such as study materials, recordings, and forums to facilitate learning and address queries. Certification preparation. If applicable, they may offer preparation for Informatica EDC certifications, helping you validate your skills and enhance your career prospects. Thank you.